Want to save data while sharing files with your Samsung contacts through Quick Share? Here's how to use Wi-Fi only for sharing. Quick Share lets you send files easily, and you can control whether it uses Wi-Fi or mobile data when sharing with contacts. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connected Device, then tap Quick Share. Under Sharing with Contact section, enable Use Wi-Fi only. When it's enabled, your phone will share files only over Wi-Fi when using Quick Share with your Samsung contacts. It's great for saving mobile data. If it's off, sharing can continue using mobile data when Wi-Fi is not available. And that's it. You have limited Quick Share to Wi-Fi only when sending to your contacts. It's perfect for keeping your data plan under control. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.